Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we.
The box. So this is my Black Wolf camping mattress. Just a self-inflating mattress. You undo the straps. Roll it out, undo the valve and it blows up. Keeps the moisture off me at night. It's a little bit thin. I would have liked to have got a thicker one, but it's okay. My Black Wolf sleeping bag, so I got the Hiker 200 because it was quite light. I think this was about 600 grams. It's a, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a +3 degrees rating, so that, and if it gets really cold at night I wears my jacket and a few other clothes to warm up, but I'm a pretty warm sleeper and that is fine for me. Got my little Inferno Boiler. These things are a fantastic setup. They're like an all-in-one package, so it doesn't get any easier than this. You got the lid, the gas burner. Gas burner just folds out, piece of cake. Use that for your cup. That's your little billy. You can boil your water in that and you cook some veggies up. It's big enough for one person. Great little setup, compact. Sleeping bag liner. So people said, why did you get a sleeping bag liner? Well, you know what? You put that inside, it gives you an extra couple of degrees of warmth. Your sleeping bag doesn't get grotty, you just pull that out, throw it in a wash, keep everything clean and tidy, and stops that thing from stinking. That was an expensive sleeping bag, this is cheap. I can just throw this out if it gets too bad. Black Wolf inflatable pillow. Now, I think it's a bit of a luxury, but I do enjoy having my head up level with my shoulders, so to have something like this is fantastic. Once again, you just open it up, open the valve, it blows itself up. You can put a few puffs of air in there yourself if you want to blow it up, but yeah, it makes a nice little pillow. So very important to get a good night's sleep if you're doing the Ks. You really don't want to be waking up during the night tossing and turning. That's the little fuel cell for the jet boil. That lasts about a week, boiling a pot of water every night. Got a little food tin that I put in, so if I cook some different things I throw it in there and I eat out of the tin, so I don't eat out of my jet boil tin, and scratch the lining on it. Just carry a little Gerber axe. You never know, might need to cut some firewood up. You might come across someone you don't like. It's always handy to have an axe. Now the good thing with this, on the back of it, it's really good for knocking in tent pegs. So handy little device. Got a little Gerber knife as well, came with the kit. Pretty sharp, good for cutting up tough things. Same thing, came with a pack. Got the little Gerber kit, so it's got a couple of bits to it, which is got a little multi-tool, peeler, can opener, stubby opener, little alloy. I think they're titanium, but they're a fork and a spoon, and your little spatula for turning over your food when you're cooking. So really handy little kit. That all came together. That was from Anaconda. I forget how much it was. I think it was a few $100s, but you need that stuff, so it was well worth it. So yeah, that's my camping gear. Pretty much all I'm doing other than this is throw in some food and a bit of drinking water, and that's about it. That's all of my gear. Furnace there, just to show you how it works. I got a little windscreen there, so just put that on the windward side of it. pillow's pumped up now. You can see it's quite good. You can blow it up a bit harder if you want. So quite comfortable, good little setup. The mattress, once again, quite simple. You can hear that sucking in there. It'll blow itself up in no time. It's only thin, so I would suggest getting a thicker one, but I was happy to put up with the discomfort to save on the weight. There are better ones around. That's what I got. So jury's out on that one. You can spend more, get a better one. This does me with a sleeping bag and a liner. I'm quite comfortable at night. If you've got any questions about my camping gear, leave a question in the comment section and I'll get an answer to you. Once again, like and subscribe our videos. It goes a long way to helping our channel. Thanks again.